Welcome back to our YouTube channel, TV. In today's video, we are going to prepare a special cassava cake. Here we have our ingredients: grated cassava, we have Macapuno string, coconut milk, condensed milk, we have cheesy, star margarines, and of course, white sugar. Okay, come on, let's go! Now we are going to add the coconut milk. So 4 cans of coconut milk, and then we are going to add 1/2 of this condensed milk. At least 1/2, more or less. We are going to add the eggs. We can use 6 large eggs. Five cups of white sugar. Okay. Macapuno string, at least 1 cup. Okay. And lastly, our secret ingredient, cheesy. But this is only optional. So now we are going to mix this one more time before we put it in a tray. This one mixing, guys, is good for 3 trays with roughly 1.5 inch thick. But it's good. Okay, good to go. We are going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. We have to make sure that this is clean. We have to put some amount of star margarine in the trays before putting the mixed cassava. Yeah, but this one is a little bit hard, so we're going to put it in a microwave. Okay. Okay, now it's ready and we're going to put it in our oven. Our oven is ready. It's preheated to 400 degrees. But be careful, guys. So this is what it looks like after an hour in the oven. It's almost ready. Almost ready to put the toppings. We're gonna rotate the tray so it will be evenly cooked. So probably in a few minutes it will be ready for the toppings. Hey guys, 1 hour and 15 minutes in the oven. And now it is ready. It's ready for the toppings. Be careful, guys. Okay guys, our toppings are ready. We have star margarine, condensed milk, Macapuno string, and cheese. Okay, let's start. This is the first one. The beef. Put it on the top. Spread evenly. This is the melted star margarine, guys. And guys, you will notice that the cake is ready for toppings when the top is not sticking to your fingers or. Okay, and next is this condensed milk. Now we have to spread. This one no straight, so you have to put on top. Very evenly. Looks yummy, guys. Put it on top and then spread it. lastly, we have cheese. One portion of cheese. Some more. Okay, good enough. And we're putting it back to into the oven. Now that the toppings is ready, we're going to put it back into the oven until the toppings turn into golden brown. Okay, or just check it from time to time, probably around 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. So let's check the oven, guys, after 20 minutes. Okay, now I guess it's time to take the tray to make it even. We have to take the tray. The one at the bottom will be on the top. Okay. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, probably in 5 minutes it will be ready. Okay, let's wait for another 5 minutes. There you go. 5 minutes is done. We're going to check the cake. Wow. It's all good. Now it's ready. Now it's cooked evenly. Top and bottom is evenly cooked. So we're gonna put it. We're gonna get this cake now from the oven. Oh my God! It's yummy. Looks yummy. Okay, guys, 3 trays of cassava cake is done after 1.5 hours in the oven, and plus roughly 30 minutes preparation. And now we have 3 trays of cassava cake ready, and we're just going to cool it down for a bit and we'll try it. Okay, guys, Let's try this one. Okay. Looks perfect. Look at this, guys. Wow. Looks so yummy. Okay. Let's try this one. See this one, guys? Let's try it. So yummy. Okay guys, if you want to try this one, just check the video and I will put the recipe in the description. Okay guys, see you in my next video.